This is a 2-pack for planters. They're like a stand that you could wheel around and show you what it looks like. They come in many shapes and sizes. This measures 12 inches. The height of the stand is about 3 inches. And it's got a nice stained color made of wood. And each of the wheels, 2 of the wheels are locked. And you could unrelease them. They're spring loaded, as you can see. They will spin. And we're going to go place a planter underneath. We have a money tree that is heavy that we're going to place the stand underneath. Do our best to center it. And now we're able to move it around. It is a wonderful stand and we can lock the wheel into place. So this way it won't move. Heavy duty stand made of pine wood. Holds over 100+ pounds with the dolly wheels. Very sturdy, very strong. Pressure treated for outdoors, indoor use up to 12 inches in bottom diameter. I hope you enjoy your plant stand if this is right for you.